Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to get coordinates on Google Maps. To get coordinates in Google Maps, open the Google Maps application on your mobile device first. Now from the home page, go ahead and find the location on the map. Go ahead and press and hold on any area and you will be able to see a red pin dropped in the location. A dropped pin panel will appear at the bottom of the screen, which you should expand, and you will then be able to see the coordinates, that means the latitude and longitude, under the place's name. Tap on the coordinates to copy them on your clipboard. You can now go ahead and share the coordinates with anyone. You can use coordinates to find off-grid places on Google Maps using hiking or GPS tools, share precise meeting points, or use for location-based coding or apps. So that's how you can easily get coordinates on Google Maps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.